So here I'm purchasing for domain in previous class. So my domain name is called abc.com. So you already purchased for your domain. So how to start my domain is called live. So if I purchase for google.com is my domain. When I purchase hosting, my Google will be online. Suppose I'm purchased for abchyd.com. I'm already purchased this domain, but I'm not purchased the hosting. They give for this kind of information. So here, just showing here, the site can't be reached. Reason, I can purchase my domain. I can't purchase hosting. The hosting will be purchased for m number of sites like GoDaddy, BigRock, iPage, the domain store.org, n number of sites. Here, one of the websites I'm selecting for milesweb.com. Why we can select for this website? Here, they're providing for free SSL certification. As a new update of Google, we can require for the SSL certification. Nothing but your website required for the more secure. If you're not providing for HTTPS, your website will be called not secure for where? Search engine. That is called, I'm selecting for which one? milesweb.com website. In this one, we can purchase your hosting will be multiple platforms. Linux by Unix, Windows hosting, and we can using for WordPress hosting. So based on your website requirement, based on your content, the dependent by the two kind of website, static and dynamic. If you go static, limited hosting, but dynamic, unlimited hosting. But this total dependent by your traffic. Now your traffic will be 100. In the future is the lakhs. So depend I can selling for the hosting will be always preferred by the reseller hosting. If you not need for the cloud, the hosting will be three: cloud, reseller, and shared. But you always prefer for the reseller. Why? Because suppose you have the 5 domains are there. Each domain will be separate login. If setting for shared hosting, each login, all domain will be one login. You are not providing for the each domain, not providing for the separate login. So that is called any specific domain selection on your websites. If you have 5 or 10, go with the reseller. That is called, if you are going to limited space, you can go with the cheap Linux reseller. So if you go to the only for design one website, if you go with the option call is WordPress hosting. Is only for design for one website is the one purchase. If you go this here, this one hosting, see this one website, one website, one website, one website is not purchased in unlimited website. Any WordPress hosting purchase only for one website purpose. Please note down, any WordPress website purchasing for one website purpose. So this is called WordPress. So based on the country, select on your packages. So here monthly 69 is a basic plan. 336 basic plus one plan is a basic plus two plan is a high end plan. 784 per month is all. Here how much showing for 30,000 monthly visitors. But I am looking for unlimited servers. We go with which one? Reseller or cheap or unlimited. Is a one different. In unlimited Linux reseller, domains are limited, space will be unlimited. If you go with the option call is cheap Linux reseller, unlimited domain, limited space. So we can go up to 2 GB is a space for okay with your unlimited package. 50 GB also okay. So you can set your packages. If you set by 3 years, every month 290. If you go with the 2 years, every month 336. If you go 1 year, 392. Every month, how much? 504. First month will be how much charge? 290. Next month onwards, they go with the 504. So any hosting when you purchase time, you can purchase every will be 1 year to up to 3 years of time. 1 year to up to 3 years of time. Any hosting you can purchase First preference is called 1 year. First you can check the 1 year. Suppose you have doubt, first pay for 1 month, check the performance, after you can purchase for next 1 year. So they have to you choose the any options, or 1 year or 1 month. After check the 1 month, you can purchase for up to 1 year option. So this is your option. Select by where? On your hosting plan. Based on the requirement, select cloud, reseller and shared hosting. If you need the space or increase from your future, go with the cloud. Once if you go limited domains or limited space, go with the unlimited reseller or cheap reseller. If you go the limited domains, 1 to 5 domains, you can go with the shared hosting. One login, multiple domain will be stored at the one space. These are not secure for more domains. Only is helpful for the static website for the shared hosting. So I can select my plan for reseller. I can go with the cheap Linux reseller hosting. I already purchased my hosting based on your requirement. Here, once purchase your hosting, they can providing for n number of details, that is called hosting packages, space and everything. So here domains unlimited, space will be 50 GB, bandwidth unlimited SSL certificate, nothing but HTTPS. If you how many domains are there, each domain providing for HTTPS. cPanel, subcoolers, purpose of making a WordPress site, n number of plug and play site purpose, domain reseller account, MySQL database, email account, everything will be unlimited. Once you're purchasing your hosting, they can log in will be like this. That is called first one option called WHM panel. WHM means one hosting manager created by n number of website cPanel. So just I'm logging for WHM. Here, how many websites are creating here? These are the websites. One login, how much you are logging here? So many. If you create your account, I can insert by particular space. It's showing here. I heard how much? 100 GB. 1 GB is a fill up. Here bandwidth unlimited. Now showing for unlimited. How much is the fill up by? 5000. So this all space covered by where? Our web hosting manager. If you're creating any kind of domain with this particular cPanel, that is called where you can select by the separate space, disk space, bandwidth, and the FTP account, email accounts, everything. Suppose I'm selecting one website, the website space who will be allocated? WHM. Suppose I'm selecting one domain, the email will be allocated by who? WHM. So each every key pair role by for cPanel, who you by? WHM, web hosting manager. Once web hosting manager will be created, we can log in for your cPanel access. Just to go for, don't do any kind of spelling mistakes. WHM syntax will be mydomain.com/WHM, mydomain.com/WHM. cPanel will be called mydomain.com/cPanel. Once enter here, login for username and password, click for login. In a cPanel, they're providing for one is called file storage, database activity, domains publishing, email accounts creation. Very important is called they're making a website using for free themes. They give the free themes for making a website. Your hosting purpose is called you can making a site using free themes. These themes will include by where? Learning by your class. So based on that, you can make it on your themes. Suppose you know the any script code, WordPress, Joomla, any kind of, you can learn by here. Two things. One is called predefined themes or customized script by developers. Any developers using by cPanel make the site are using free themes or kind of using for coding part. So clear? Without purchase hosting, nobody can store your file regarding website. Once login this one, the site will be open, will be like this. You can log in WHM with the cPanel. The file will be stored here. The login will be this content website. This file will be stored by where? Our cPanel. Is it clear? Once the file will be storage, your site will be going to live. So how to you can connect with this kind of options for your new domain and new hosting, we'll discuss by the next class. So we have purchased hosting for separate package. Your domain purchase by separate website. How to connect your domain to hosting? How to create your cPanel? How to create your data will be stored on your cPanel. We discuss all will be on next class.